Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking your phone and entering home screen edit mode. This is the action that kicks everything off. Once done, press Widgets or the plus icon to open the widget browser and scroll or search by app name to find what you need. Make sure the app supports HyperOS widgets. If it doesn't show, update the app or HyperOS. You'll learn placement next, so pick a widget size now and hold it to drag. We move straight into positioning. Now place the widget where you want it. Drag and drop to the chosen page, then resize by pulling edges or pinching. HyperOS respects grid snaps for neat alignment. Once positioned, tap the widget to open its customization menu. Enable needed permissions such as location or storage so data updates correctly. You can also create a widget stack or smart group to combine related widgets, which saves space and keeps information accessible. Finish by confirming the widget refreshes content. If it looks stale, wait a minute, then reboot the device to force a refresh. If the layout breaks or permissions aren't applied, remove the widget and add it again. That often clears the issue. Also check battery optimization and background restrictions and allow background activity for the app so updates run. If problems persist, update HyperOS and the app. Otherwise, you should be ready to use the widget seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.